Imagine this. You spend 2 years building your dream business, sleepless nights, your savings drained, only to watch it fail. Not because you weren't passionate, not because you didn't work hard, but because no one actually needed it. Brutal, right? The truth is, most failed businesses die for the same reason. They miss the gap. But here's the good news. Once you learn how to spot those gaps, you'll never run out of business ideas again. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it, step by step, with real examples like Airbnb, Tesla, and Dollar Shave Club. So stick around, because the next big idea might just be yours. Forget starting with the product idea. Start with pain. Market gaps are simply unmet needs people complain about, settle for, or don't even realize they want solved. The fastest way to spot these? Listen. Read customer reviews on Amazon, Yelp, or app stores. Pay attention to what people hate. The repeated complaints are your treasure map. Every one-star review is a business idea waiting to be born. Not every gap screams. Some whisper. Think about industries that feel outdated, slow, or frustrating. If you've ever thought, why is this still so complicated in 2025? That's your clue. People rarely demand innovation until someone shows it to them. Remember how everyone was fine with taxis until Uber made us realize how bad they really were? Big companies chase big markets, which means smaller groups are ignored. Think about people in rural areas, niche hobbies, or cultural communities. When a group's needs are overlooked, they become loyal customers the moment someone finally builds for them. Niches create riches. Sometimes the gap is hidden inside a crowded market. Coffee shops? Oversaturated. But what if you created a coffee shop with 0 sugar options for diabetics, or a subscription coffee for night shift workers? The gap isn't always absence. You don't always need to outcompete. You just need to out-differentiate. Here's a secret. People lie with their words but tell the truth with their actions. They say, "I'm fine with it," while duct taping their stroller, hacking their apps, or building DIY fixes. Those workarounds, that's proof they want a better solution. If people are bending existing products just to make them work, that's your invitation to innovate. Chasing trends alone is dangerous. They come and go. But when you fuse trends with timeless human needs, that's unstoppable. Health is timeless. AI is a trend. Put them together, you get personalized AI nutrition coaching. So ask yourself, how can today's biggest shifts make age-old problems faster, easier, or cheaper? Now let's see how the giants spotted gaps. Airbnb. Travelers wanted homier, cheaper stays than hotels. Tesla. Drivers were tired of boring, slow electric cars. Dollar Shave Club. People were fed up with overpriced razor blades. Zoom. Professionals needed video calls that actually worked. Notice the pattern? They didn't invent demand. They uncovered gaps. The graveyard of startups is filled with ideas no one wanted. Before you spend a year building, test your gap. Build a landing page, run ads, interview 20 potential customers. See if people lean in or scroll away. If you can't sell the idea, you can't sell the product. Validation saves you from heartbreak. Finding gaps isn't luck. It's pattern recognition, empathy, and courage. The world is full of cracks waiting to be filled, but only a few people learn to see them. If you train your eyes for gaps, you'll never run out of business ideas. So here's your takeaway. Products come and go, but gaps are forever. If you got value from this, hit subscribe, because your next $1 million idea might be waiting in the very next video.